my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day as always. And today we're going to be reviewing how to make 3D items like in Minecraft, kind of like Aphmau does. Anyways, we're going to do like 3D models. So instead of like wolf ears like my last video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It has a little bit different way to do it also. Okay, so first we're going to want to do sketchfab.com. I'll leave a link in the description for sketchfab.com. Okay, and here we're gonna type in enchanted. Hold up. Enchanted blackberry potion. Enchanted blackberry med. Anyways, we're gonna be making this 3D model. It just needs to load up real quick. Okay, here it is. Okay, so we're gonna be putting this into the game. First, you're gonna want to look at more model information. Make sure that it is an OBJ. If it doesn't have an OBJ, it will not work. So first you're going to download, and I'll be right back when I put in my information. Okay, and now we're back, and I put in my information. Now I'm all logged in. First you're going to want to download the original format OBJ, nothing else over here. You're going to click download, but since I've already done it, I'm going to go ahead and go to my files and my downloads, and I have it right here. So next you're going to want to, if I'm not lagging, you're going to want to go into your Blender. Blender's really easy to use, guys. Just type in Blender, and you can just download whatever version you want, and you can do this on any kind. Sorry I'm not in the best mood today, guys. I'm a little bit gone under the weather, and being in lockdown, I'm a little bit tired and other stuff. Even though I should be doing more videos just like this. Anyways, you're gonna want to import the wavefront OBJ. You're gonna go to your desktop, but since I don't have that, hold up. I'm gonna go to my downloads. Crap, hold up, guys. Okay, I'm gonna want to go to. Okay. And you're gonna want, I guess, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot this step. Extract into Enchanted Blackberry Med. Okay, once that's done, it should make a new folder. So now you go back into Blender, go into Desktop, Enchanted Blackberry Med, Source, right here. Now, as you can see, this is very big, very, very big. So what you're going to do is scale that down to about there. Let's zoom in. Yeah, it's going to need to be scaled down a little bit more since it's like a potion. Let's scale it up a little bit, and that's about good. I think that's you have it. It's not necessarily always going to be right, but you can make it to about the right one for you. Personally, I'm probably going to use this in my new roleplay coming up soon, guys, so stay tuned for that. It's probably going to be out by next month, depending on what we're going to get done. Okay, now from right here, you're going to, okay, hold up, let me see something. Okay, you're going to do control, then you're just going to, hold left click down, and then now select everything. Then you're going to want to, it doesn't always come up, so sometimes you're going to have to redo some of this, but anyways, it's kind of already a whole, hold up, let me find this. It's not letting me. It sometimes takes a minute. I wanted to put it together. Okay, guys, I'll be right back when it comes back up. It takes a couple tries. Okay, guys, we're back right here, and we're just gonna do this and scale it back down to what you want it to be. Okay, that's about what I'm going to put it at. Now let's just see right here. We're going to want to... This looks like it's already all together, so now we need to find... We have to find... Okay. Okay, now I'll see. Join. Okay, now that's all joined together. You're gonna... Okay, here it is. It's all just one thing right here. So we're gonna click this, and we're going to... Hold up. Oh, no, not that. We're gonna do this, and we're just gonna go to here, and name it... Body. And we're gonna go to right here, and name this Body. So that will all come in later. So now we're gonna go to File, Export, Wavefront OBJ, and we're gonna put it to our desktop, and up here you're gonna want to make it model.obj, model.obj, and next you're gonna export OBJ. Okay, now when you're done with all that, it should come up right here and here. Next, you're gonna want to do %app data % exactly like that, and you'll get your folder. I have a lot of stuff, so let me go down to my .minecraft config. Okay, next you're gonna want to go to Blockbuster. By the way, guys, you have to at least run Blockbuster once. You don't have to leave Minecraft for this though. Models, and then we have to make a new model now. So next we're gonna go into Minecraft. Sorry, I had it launched earlier, but I was working on another video before this. Sorry about that. I'll be right back when it's on. Okay, guys, sorry for the dog in the background if you can hear that. But anyways, now that we are in Minecraft, we're gonna want to go into your options, and you're gonna want to go in your controls. Go ahead and go down where you can find the Blockbuster controls. Okay, here it is. Metamorph, you're going to want to also do this. Open creative menu, make it whatever you want it to be. Then you're going to want to do Blockbuster, and you're going to do basically the same thing. You're going to want to find the model. No, not that one. We're going to want to do... Hold up. Okay, hold up. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to find it. Hold up. We need creative menu number 3 for this. Model editor should be 3, but I'll just name it to numpad 8 real quick. Numpad 8, and you should be able to be put into this right here. Okay, now you're gonna want to... Sorry, I accidentally messed up there. You're gonna want to go into this right here. You're gonna go into models, and you're gonna bring up your limbs. Next, you're gonna find Fred, or Fred 3D, or even Steve. I personally use Steve 3D. You're gonna get rid of everything but the body. You can, and also the anchor. That stays it also. So now you just keep the body. Make sure you're clicked onto the body right now. Okay, next you are going to want to... Hold up. You're going to want to go to poses. And this is going to be 0, 0. So these should all be 0, 0 except for these 3 right here. Alright, that's all you have to do right there. Next, you're going to want to provide OBJ right here. And then you're going to want to go to this, and you're going to want to do save model, and you're going to say what you want to name it. So I'm going to do enchanted potions. Enchanted potions. I'm going to put a little dash right here, and this is going to be my little test, even though I'm probably going to use this for my new roleplay. Okay, next you're going to want to click exit that, and I'm going to go to my home menu. And basically now you're going to want to go into your files, models, over here, and you're going to find enchanted potions. put these in here. And I usually just make a new folder and name it skins. Next, you're going to want to open up your enchanted potions right here, textures, and you're just going to grab all the textures right here and put them into the skins folder. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to launch back. Okay, everyone, once you get into Minecraft, you're going to want to grab a model block like this. You can get that just by searching up model block, and it will be right here. Next, you're going to want to put down this. Oh, sorry, I don't know why that's happening, but anyways, you put down your model block, you're going to go into here, you're going to pick the morph, and you're going to find enchant. Okay, here it is. Enchant it, and we're going to look through here, see if one which matches the best look of it. This one is it, and it's a little bit bigger than I want it to. You can fix that by going in the blender and just fixing that, but there's other ways to do it also. I can go to scale, put it into a negative 0.2 maybe? No. 0.4? No, hold up. I'm trying. 0.2. Yep, there it is. I'm trying to see here. I think that's about right. But there's also another way you could do this, guys. By going in Blender, like I said. Personally, I like it, but it's really not my type. So I don't want it to be that small, so I'm going to put it up to a 3. I feel like that fits Minecraft model much better, so then you're going to do Control and then T. Okay, then F5 mode, and luckily this one actually works pretty well in the hand, so it looks like I'm already holding it. You can also edit this, I'm pretty sure, by getting rid of some features of this. Like, I bet I could get rid of this, like, the bottle cap and make this look even better. I'm definitely going to be using this for my roleplay soon, guys. So if you want, I'll leave a link to the model, the last actual model, the wolf ears, and I'll leave a link to the Sketchfab website. Anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video as always. If you want more videos just like this, then make sure you do like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload. If we can hit 10 likes on this video, that would be amazing. It will make my day, and I'll do more videos like this. I'll probably put like a little description up. If you guys comment this, I might do it. Anyways, right here I have this made. So if you guys want me to hold up. If you guys want me to teach you how to get the tail that moves and telomeres, then I will do that video for you guys. Well, anyways, hope you have enjoyed the video as always, and goodbye.